Hey guys, it's Alpha, and in today's video we're going to learn how to create paintings in MCreator. So to get started, we're going to open up the MCreator app and open up our mod workspace. And in here we're going to create a new folder called Paintings, like so. And in here we're going to create a painting. And today we're going to be creating two paintings. We're going to create a 2x2 block painting and then a 2x1 block painting, just so you guys know how to make a square photo and a rectangular photo. So I've created some textures for the paintings already. And for the 2x2 painting, which we're going to do first, is going to be called Mountain Lake, like so. So for the texture, I'm just going to import. It will be Mountain Lake just here. And we're going to select that. And the painting title is Mountain Lake. And the author is myself. So I'm just going to put my name, Alpha. And the painting width is actually going to be 32, which is 2 blocks by 32, because it's a 2x2 block painting. So you got the painting width and height there. So you got the 16 units is 1 block height. So obviously this is a 2x2, so 32 by 32. And that one is all done. And then we're going to create a new one, painting. And the next one is going to be Sunset Beach, like so. And then we're going to import the texture, sunsetbeach.png, like so. And we've got the painting title and the author, which will be me again. And this one, it's going to be width of 32, because it's 2 blocks wide, but it's only 1 block high, so it's 16 pixels high, basically, like so. And then that's our two paintings. And it's very simple in MCreator. That is literally all we have to do. So I'll just show you what that looks like in the game now, in terms of accessing the photos, in both just placing random photo frames and it randomly coming up, and also how to get the specific painting as well. So we're going to go ahead and run the Minecraft modded client. And of course, you guys won't have the painting textures that I do. I've custom created these ones specifically for this series. So if you do want to use the paintings that I've created today, you can always do so by joining the channel as a File Access Club member. This gives you full file access to every single texture, entity, and asset that I've created for this MCreator modding series. Alternatively, you can join the channel as an exclusive access member, where you get all the full file access. You also get early access to videos. You get exclusive access to members only videos. You also get priority reply to comments and member shoutouts in the videos. But anyway, let's get into the world and we can check out the paintings. Here we are. So we're in the world and we can go ahead and set ourselves to creative mode just so we can get some photos, or paintings rather. Here we are. So if we search for painting, we can just grab the random painting, as well as going in through these paintings and finding our paintings that we've added, which will be in here. So here in white text, we've got Sunset Beach by Alpha, which says 2x1. And then we've also got Mountain Lake by Alpha, which is 2x2, just there. So if we just place random, so if we get some grass blocks and just place a wall like this to place the paintings on, we will get random paintings, and eventually we will get one of our custom paintings. Eventually is the keyword. There we go. So we've gotten one of our custom paintings just there. So this is Mountain Lake, as I'm sure you can tell. Got the nice mountain in the background and the lake at the front and some trees. Not to comment on my artistic capabilities, but I think that's quite a nice painting to add to the game. And I've also, obviously kept the pixelated art style. And then we've also got the Sunset Beach, which is this one, which I'm just going to place manually. And there you go. So you got the sunset on the beach with some palm trees, which I also think is a nice little photo. Something I haven't included, which is on most of the other photos or paintings in the game, is a border, which takes up one pixel width around the whole thing. I chose not to add that just because I wanted, you know, a full large photo. Which you guys, if you guys want to make your own custom paintings, then obviously you might want to add that to maintain the vanilla aspect. Obviously that border isn't always the same color on every painting. It's more like reminiscent of the actual painting that's being displayed. So if you guys want to do that, then go ahead. You can add that pixel to your image as just a border around the whole thing. But obviously that doesn't mean that you can expand the size of your image. So I'd have to overwrite the outermost pixel on all sides of these images to add that border in, because you can't expand the image size, because obviously then it's not going to be 2 blocks wide, it's going to be 2 blocks and 2 pixels by the time that you've added that border around the whole image. So just keep that in mind when creating your own paintings. If you want to have it look like that, it's obviously very obviously custom because it hasn't got the border, whereas if I add it, it would blend in a little bit more with the other paintings. So if I surround it now, obviously it's going to stand out quite a lot, as you can see. But anyway, that is how you add your own custom paintings to Minecraft. I hope you guys have learned something in today's lesson. And if you were thinking about it, if you want to create your own Minecraft server that can host both the mods that you've created in this series and also just any other random mods that you might want to play with, you can click this link in the top right now, and that will take you to my tutorial on how to create your own Minecraft server. But anyway, guys, that is everything for today's lesson. I hope you've learned something, and I will see you guys in the next lesson where we'll be learning how to create custom trees. So I'll see you then. Goodbye.